it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler Box for August. I also want to share the Camille Roskelley of Thimble Blossoms Nantucket Summer Designer Box. We actually will have something similar coming next month, and so I thought it'd be really fun to give you a look at this so you could see kind of what you might be in store for. If you still haven't pre-ordered our box and want to get one, I thought this would be a great way to, just kind of show you what these new Moda designer boxes are all about. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's take a look at both of these fun boxes. Let's start with the August Sew Sampler, and love getting these every month. This month was one of those months where I was just totally surprised by the fabric collection, so it was not one that I had heard of. It's called Sewing Wild, August 2025. That's our title. And first thing I noticed is this Creative Grids non-slip 4-in-1 hexi ruler. These are fantastic to have, and it will also do a half hexi. There are 3 charm packs, and this is a Benartix collection called Among the Wildflowers. So that's where we get the Sewing Wild. And it's actually easier for me to just show you all the different prints that are included on this kind of palette that they've got on the back. 21 different prints, and there are 2 of each in each of these packs. These are 42 packs, so got 6 actually of each print between the 3 charm packs. And again, it's called Among the Wildflowers 2, and it's a Benartix group. And there is a pattern, as always, and they did use the hexi ruler. So it's a table runner called Rain Lilies. What a pretty name. And yeah, so the ruler will help you make this, and it finishes at 16.5 by 58.25 inches. So you'll use kind of all these 3 together, and the pattern is exclusive to the box. We've also got our flowering pattern, and this is block number 5. There's a different pattern in each box that you get, and so this is included in there. There is also a sew line air erasing, so you can mark on it, and I should look at the details on this one. But it says the air erasable pen glides across your fabric with a smooth ceramic roller ball, giving you crisp, easy to see lines, and the marks will gently fade away on their own within 2 to 10 days. So again, I'm excited to try this out. This is a new to me notion. And of course, the little card that gives you all the details about everything. And don't forget to look inside your cover sheet, and in here, sometimes they let you know about sales and specials. Okay, I also wanted to talk about the Nantucket Summer Designer Box from Moda. This is with Camille Roskelley of Thimble Blossoms, and this is something new that Moda is doing. They have these designer boxes. They initially were going to be a tin, but due to tariffs, it ended up being easier to do these plastic art bin boxes that are custom made for this. I love this box. I love the size. I love the handle. I love how handy it's going to be when I travel or go to classes or retreats. I think it's just a fantastic box. The handle slides out, and then the box will open. And again, we have a Delightfully Yours box, collector box, coming in September, and this is the container it will be in. And I'm going to share all the little goodies that Camille and Moda have put together in here for you. All of them will be different, but this will kind of give you an idea. So as you hear about these designer boxes in the coming months, you'll know kind of what to expect. So there's a 2-pack of journals. These are darling, 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 with prints from her collection. There is an exclusive pattern. You won't be able to get this pattern anywhere else. It's for the Nantucket baskets. And the fabric that you need to make this, other than background and sashing and border binding, is included in the box. So there are 20 8-inch squares, and they will make everything that you need for the baskets. So you just need to get the additional fabric. So, and the same thing will be true of our box. We will have the 8-inch squares that you'll need for our cozy little house quilt, and the pattern will be exclusively in the box. Okay, every designer box will have a mini piece catalog with fun things all about the designer, pictures, their favorites. Chelsi and I have had so much fun putting this together. Okay, I just want to let you know we finished filming this video and Billy realized that the sound had cut off for about the last minute. So I'm just going to reiterate right where we lost sound. I'm going to go back to that point and just say Chelsi and I had a ton of fun doing the mini piece catalog for our designer box, and the marketing team at Moda, they just did such a fabulous, fabulous job. Okay, I'm going to keep showing you what's in the box. I love this little vinyl pouch. It's super cute. It has a zipper, just perfect for a little coin purse or whatever. I love it. This is going to be going in my purse right away. I also love the swoon sticker that Camille did. Super cute. I love, love, love her swoon pattern, and I love everything blue, so this is wonderful. There's also a little Nantucket Summer mini charm. Such a fun collection. A notion, a pair of scissors. These are those Moda scissors. We have talked about them before on the podcast, and they are just phenomenal. I absolutely love these scissors. And there will be some type of notion, I believe, in all of the designer tins. Ours will not have a pair of scissors, but something else really fun. Okay, and then Camille did some darling little quilt labels. Such a fun little addition. They're super popular for bags and quilts. And then we also have in here these darling little zipper charms. One is a spool with a heart, and the other one is a ribbon block. And she has a cute pattern and a mini pattern that go along with this block. And I think she has a pattern that goes along with this one too. So anyway, just a really fun assortment of items that are in these designer boxes. Be sure to look for them for your favorite designers. Okay, so that's it for both of these great boxes. Remember that you can either get a subscription for the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes, or you can buy the boxes a la carte. And a lot of times you can get most of the items just on their own as well. The items in the Thimble Blossoms Camille Roskelley box are exclusive to the box, so you won't be able to get that pattern anywhere else for now, or any of the kind of special goodies that they've added in. So we'll have links for both in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.